Hello all, I am Lekhan Gowda. I am basically from Bangalore. I graduated in Saptagiri College of Engineering in the field of Electronic and Communication Engineering in 2024. During my placement, I didn't get the what I expected job in college. So later I came up with the Emertxe course where I interested in embedded course engineering. So later I secured this course and I completed all the modules with all the practical and the real-time projects. My dream was to secure a job in a core company. In college, I didn't get much core company to attend. So one of my senior in Saptagiri College of Engineering, he suggested me that if you want to get a better position in the core company, you should try the Emertxe course. So later I contacted near MG Road where the Emertxe Institute was there. So I got all the details about the projects as well as the modules, what and all they will cover. And I was interested, and later I joined this Emertxe Institute. So I was above average student in my academics. So I was not well aware of my skill and my ability to develop the core skills that what I lack in college. So later I joined the Emertxe and I got well trained, and the practical application what and all I done in the projects helped me to develop the strong core skills, and which helped me to place in a good company. So in Emertxe, we were assigned individual projects for everyone. So there we can implement our own skills and come up with our own solution. So the practical implementation of my skills into the projects helped me a lot to secure the good company. The projects was basically on the real-time application projects, and along with the assignments, whatever they provided for each modules were very helpful to clarify all the rounds in the interviews. Whatever the company we are attending, they will focus on the projects majorly on what the projects is much close to them, whatever the job role they are provided. Here we have done the projects on every module. So every module plays a very important role in this securing the job. So they will look into the modules and they will concentrate on more projects questions. So they basically test whether we are done these projects by our own or with any help or mentorship. So the individual project was the main thing, and it helped me a lot. So basically the TCP/IP project was played a major role in securing this job. It was close to the project what they were doing, so the networking concepts. So after the college, I was so in confusion state whether to go with whatever the college has provided me or to enhance my skill and whatever I felt in the core company. So later when I come up with the Emertxe, it helped me a lot in many ways, and the projects, individual projects, and the mentorship they provided and the assignment they given in each module helped me a lot. And in this journey I have faced everything like the up and downs. I have also attended the many company interviews. They also helped me to take the mock interviews, which was very, very helpful in securing the good company. So all combined with the course, the projects, the assignments, and the mentorship what they have provided in the Emertxe has helped me to secure a good job in Aritha. Many of us will take easy in colleges, like it will be easy going on the colleges, but it will not, because once you face the reality of the placement and the job, you will get to know. So basically, you won't regret when you join the Emertxe. If you are feeling low and if you are in confused state in college, there will be a time to get a new job and to enhance your skill. So any people who are aiming for the core company and also many other IT jobs, I would refer the Emertxe is a good place to start and begin the new journey and to secure whatever the expected job you wanted. I would say that if you put a hard work, you will definitely get the job you are dreamt for. I would recommend the Emertxe to join and to enhance your skill. Basically, the hardship they provide and the assignments they have given. So it's your effort to get whether to place in high-end company or not. So basically, it will be in your hand how much you efforts put in this course and these modules and in interviews. So basically, that represent what you will end up with. So I got placed in Aritha. So the job role is also good. It is networking. Basically, I'm working in LTE 4G network layer. So once you get into the destination, that's the main thing in your life, and it's the beginning of your life in the career. So you have to choose and you have to be responsible for what you're choosing.